Okay, our next organelle is called the Golgi Apparatus, and I've got a handout 3J for it. This is pretty easy and straightforward. The Golgi Apparatus kind of appears similar to our endoplasmic reticulum, and it's made up of folds of plasma membrane. So you got these folds of plasma membrane that make up the Golgi apparatus. Now, as far as function goes, the Golgi apparatus is a modifying and packaging plant. So it's gonna receive a product like maybe a protein or a fat. It's gonna package it up, and then it's gonna distribute it out, um, either into the cell or out into the body where it can go to where it needs to be. I call it the UPS of the cell, or the FedEx. You can call it the post office of the cell. But the Golgi apparatus is going to take the products that are made in the cell, package them up, and then send them somewhere else. Now, at the bottom of this handout, I just show you an example using some of the other organelles that we've talked about. So imagine we've got some ribosomes that are in rough endoplasmic reticulum. All right, so you've got these ribosomes making a protein. Maybe it's a hormone, maybe it's an enzyme. These proteins are being created. The proteins are made in this endoplasmic reticulum. Then they can be packaged up in a vesicle that is then shipped to the Golgi apparatus. The Golgi apparatus is then going to modify it, kind of prepare it, package it up into a vesicle, and then ship it out of the cell via exocytosis. So the Golgi apparatus is going to take whatever the cell makes. Let's say it's a hormone. Maybe it's oxytocin, right? We're going to make oxytocin. The Golgi apparatus is going to take that oxytocin, package it up into a vesicle, and then ship it out of the cell through exocytosis. This is a really common process where we've got the Golgi apparatus working with the endoplasmic reticulum to make a product and then ship it out. So Golgi apparatus, just a folded up membrane that is packaging and distributing its cell's products. Pretty cool.